Hello. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I actually was expecting to wrap my roof black, but what happened is for some reason the shop that's shipping out the vinyl wrap didn't ship it out within this whole week. So I got in contact with them. They're gonna ship it out on Monday, so I should be getting probably on Tuesday or Wednesday. But I also did order this. I got this from Amazon. This is like, what, I think it's like 15 bucks. It's like 20 feet of gloss black. Skinny strips, but all I was gonna do is pull out strip, cut it in half, because we're gonna be using it to wrap all the chrome trim on my car. And also, oh damn, it's too short. Well, I'll figure something out on this. I might wrap this. But this is for all the chrome trim on the car because I'm gonna get rid of all the chrome. So all this is gonna be black. It would be nice to color match these, but yeah. And then the grill, someone told me on Instagram like, oh, the chrome matches the grill, but I'm changing out that grill very soon. This is gonna be next. The roof rack's gonna be next. It was literally gonna be today, but one thing I really need to do on this car is get an alignment, because I've been driving around and this thing had no alignment for who knows how long, and then the rears, they are towed in. But what I'm gonna do is head over to Angel's place right now. He's gonna be working on his car. He's gonna be doing his rear seat delete. So I'm gonna pull up, and then around 4 p.m. when Clint with the white TSX is finished with work, he's gonna align my car for me. The fronts, I feel like it's okay, but still, I did lower the car more, added more camera, so I can't really tell if it's towed out or towed in, but the rears, you can definitely tell it's towed in a lot. So we're not trying to eat up the tires, because one is, you know, they're brand new, and I don't want them to be scrubbing, but. And then I'm gonna be heading to San Diego tomorrow to drop these off for John, but that reflection though. All right, let's get to turn on the car. I'll just leave this here because I need to get a workbench very soon. I might just buy like one of those cheap ones. They're called like Workbench Pro, and literally just get that, and it's like 120 bucks. I don't need nothing fancy like my other place. AC. And of course guys, hybrid racing shifter has been amazing to me. Oh shit. Hybrid racing has been amazing to me, especially with the Duralist shutdown, because it's been so hot in Irvine. It's been like 100 degrees, 90 to 100, and today's another hot one. Let's see how hot it is in my garage right now. Well, it's 85, but once I get out, it's gonna spike up to like 90 easy. But yep, I need to get a horn delete plate. I don't have the spoon hole button on this, so we're gonna get like a carbon one or something. Change out these bolts. Hybrid Racing is sending me a new rod, and then also a couple goodies for the engine bay for the build. So yep. All right, so let's head over to Angel's place. It's like 25 minutes, and chill for a bit, and then get the car aligned. Gonna be a fun hot day. One thing that I forgot to mention about this car is I love the AC on the TSXs. I don't know if it's driven by belt like the old, like, you know, EKs and all that on the older cars, but this thing gets cold so fast and stays cold, and it doesn't like lag or has any issues with, like, you know, causing the car feel slower and stuff, like your NOS button or whatever. But yeah, I still need to do a in-car video review of this hybrid shifter. That should be soon. I'm just looking for a new camera setup, because this one right here, it's, you know, just my G7X, so it's a point and shoot. I don't know if the quality in the car would be good or not. Just leaving the apartment complex right here. Yep. Got my Soma T and Mocktail. You guys never tried this in Irvine. This is so bomb. Better than 7 Leaves. You guys never had it. Yep. Nice sunny day, and you can see that temp going up. It's 87 now. Oh shit, I need to get gas. Look at that, it's already 95 degrees outside. Just like a minute ago, it was like at 97, so I don't know how accurate this is, but it's really hot. I'm almost there though. We're at San Juan Capistrano, I think Capistrano. I don't know how to say it, but yep, it's 85 here because we're a lot more closer to the beaches. So shouldn't be too hot in this place. And this is amazing, guys. Use Law Tomula at checkout for 5% off of any hybrid racing product. Check them out. You look good in a white TSX. Clint just finished lining my car here. So the front was really towed out, or I think it was towed out on this side, and then the rears are actually towed in, not too much. Huge shout out to Clint. Now we're gonna get some food. When I was at his house earlier and we did this. Nice and plush. Looks good. Yeah. Cool little shifter plate. Forgot you put that in. Here. What? What's this? Damn, I don't. This is the same one? Mm-hmm. All bad. Can't focus. Nice. I kind of miss that car. You saw those Z40s? Mm-hmm. Alright, we are off to get some food. I'm gonna see if I can get some rolling shots of them while we're cruising on the highway. But let's go. We're on the way, but huge shout outs to Clint. He did my alignment on my car. And one of the tie rods, the nut was kind of rounded out from the previous owner or whoever did the alignment before. But we got that situated, we got it fixed. If you guys ever need alignments, hit up his DMs right here. I dropped his Instagram down here. And he said to pretty much to tell him or put him on blast saying that he does alignment. So hit him up, he does a good job. And I'm still rubbing on my bumper spacer, but it's fine. It'll go away, and probably tomorrow I'm just gonna rub it down a little bit. But yeah. Alright, let's get some rollers. Here is Clint's car. Oh, sorry, let me switch my hand real quick. Hope it's not as bouncy. Oh, and then, oh shit! Oh shit! Oh yeah, Angel's car. Alright, let's see if I can get Angel to pull up. Alright. Alright, enough of that. I forgot how hard it is to film while rolling. Let's go get some food.